Your Windows Hello PIN just disappeared, and you can't log in. Don't panic. Here's exactly why it happened, and how to fix it.
Windows Hello lets you sign in with a PIN, your face, or your fingerprint. But here's the key fact. The PIN is the foundation of everything. If your PIN breaks, all biometric methods break too. You must fix the PIN first.
So why does this happen? There are 4 main causes. First, the NGC folder that stores your credentials gets corrupted. Second, Windows updates like 24H2 and 25H2 enforce stricter security checks. Third, TPM issues from BIOS updates or hardware changes. And fourth, organization policies that block PIN enrollment.
Fix number 1. Sign in with your password. On the lock screen, click Sign In Options, select the key icon, and enter your password. Once logged in, go to Settings and set up a new PIN. This is the easiest fix, so try it first.
Fix number 2. Remove your work or school account. Go to Settings, Accounts, then Access Work or School. If you see a connected organization account, disconnect it. Then, try setting up your PIN again. You can reconnect later if needed.
Fix number 3. Delete the NGC folder. This is the most effective fix and works in most cases. Open Command Prompt as administrator and run these commands to take ownership and delete the NGC folder contents. Then reboot your computer and set up a new PIN. This fixes corrupted credential cache.
Fix number 4. Registry Fix. This is for domain-joined PCs where group policy is locked. Create a registry file with the values shown, run it as administrator, then run GP update force and reboot. This enables Windows Hello and biometrics at the policy level.
Fix number 5. Group Policy Fix. Press Win+R, type gpedit temsc, and navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, System, then Log On. Enable Turn On Convenience PIN Sign In, then restart your PC.
Fix number 6. Reset the TPM. This is the last resort. Warning: clearing the TPM deletes all stored keys including BitLocker recovery keys. Back up your BitLocker keys first, open tpm.msc, check the status, and if needed, clear the TPM from BIOS settings. Then reboot and set up your PIN again.
Special cases. If you recently installed Windows updates, check for newer patches or roll back the problematic update. For enterprise users, if your email address changed, sign in with your password to rebind credentials. And for 25H2 users, if fingerprint works but PIN fails, delete the NGC folder and re-enroll biometrics.
To prevent this from happening again, always know your password is backup. Backup BitLocker keys before TPM changes. Keep Windows updated. Don't toggle Secure Boot unnecessarily. And test updates on pilot devices before deploying widely.
If this video helped you fix the issue, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling us which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.